If you're shopping for a luxury hybrid mattress, Helix Elite is their top of the line series, and each model is tuned to a different firmness. All six come with the cool to the touch, Glacio Tex cover, zone coils, and extra layers for alignment and back pain relief. On the soft end, the Sunset Elite is the plushiest at around a 5 out of 10, great for side sleepers. The Moonlight Elite adds bounce but is still soft, a 5.5 out of 10, better for lighter back and side sleepers. The most popular, the Midnight Elite, sits near medium, about a 6 out of 10, a solid choice for combo and back sleepers. The Dusk Elite hits classic medium firm at 6.5 out of 10, with balance for back, side, and even some stomach sleepers. The Twilight Elite is firmer at 7 out of 10, ideal for stomach and back support. And the Dawn Elite is the firmest, 7.5 out of 10, the go-to for stomach sleepers or anyone wanting maximum support. There's also the Plus Elite, designed for heavier folks over 250 pounds. Price-wise, they run about $2,800 for a queen, with a 100-night trial and lifetime warranty. Do your own research.